Hey there, YouTube. Holy crap. Where did that wind come from? Oh well. See what I can do with the Zippo. There we go. Alright. How's it going, folks? David here again. Just out enjoying a late morning rather, pipe and a cup of coffee. Figured I'd bring you guys along again. Today I'm gonna do my own rendition of a pipe smoker stereotypes. Now I know there's a few pipe smokers in the YouTube community that have already done their videos on this. Pipe Friends CHS, Smoke Rings Pipe Dreams. I think Sensical Pipe has done one as well. So this would be kind of a response to them. I think they all hit the nail on the head pretty well, in that while we do, a lot of pipe smokers probably meet some of the stereotypes, thoughtful and pensive. There are some that I'm sure a lot of us don't meet, such as, a professor or, an old grandpa or something like that. I'm obviously not an old grandpa. This is definitely not. I'm definitely not a shoe-in for the movie The Curious Case of Benjamin Button. So don't let my young looks are young looks. But one thing I do want to touch on a little bit is that while pipe smokers are not necessarily more thoughtful or pensive just because they're pipe smokers, I think that the hobby of pipe smoking lends itself to the pipe smoker being a more thoughtful or pensive person. And this is why. Because, pipe smoking, there's a ritual to it. You've got to, pipe smoking is very purposeful. It's not like smoking a cigarette where, light up, smoke your cigarette in 5 minutes and then you're done, just to get your nicotine fix. Pipe smoking is a very, thought out process if you want to be able to smoke a pipe well. So I think that it lends itself to the pipe smoker being more thoughtful and pensive because it does take a lot of thought to smoke a pipe, and I find myself when I'm just sitting outside smoking a pipe at the end of the day that I find it helps me to relax and, just reflect a bit and think about things. So I think that's one stereotype that we all probably fall under at least a little bit. Now, one stereotype that was not mentioned, and I'm very disappointed, especially in Pipe Friend CHS, for not mentioning this one, because I think it's the most important stereotype of all. In fact, I think if you're a male pipe smoker, I think it's mandatory that you fall under this stereotype. Having a beard. Oh yeah, a beard, folks, as you all know, is mandatory to being a good pipe smoker. No, I do finally get to have a beard for my new job, so I'm definitely taking advantage of that. So, anyways, that's my take on stereotypical pipe smoker. Let me know what you guys think. If I'm totally off my rocker, if you guys, give me two pipes up in full agreement, let me know. Anyway, happy smoking, guys. Have a good day.